Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You're now tuning into the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in a simple and effortless way. You don't need to take notes or study hard. Just listen carefully and watch the video multiple times. That's all it takes. Today, we're going to explore something delicious, surprising, and uniquely American: deep-fried everything. Yes, that's right. In the United States, you can find a wide variety of foods that are deep-fried. Some you might expect, and others that will leave you completely shocked. Let's start with the basics. Deep frying means cooking food by immersing it in hot oil. It creates a crispy outside while keeping the inside moist and tasty. This method has existed for centuries in many cultures, but in the U.S., it became an art form. Fried chicken, onion rings, French fries, and donuts are all classic American favorites. But it doesn't stop there. Americans love to experiment with deep frying. At fairs and festivals, you'll see deep-fried candy bars, deep-fried butter, and even deep-fried pickles. In some places, they even fry pizza slices or cheesecake. Why do they do it? Part of it is curiosity, part of it is fun, and part of it is tradition. These fried treats often appear at state fairs, where communities celebrate local culture, music, games, and of course, food. But this isn't just about fun. Deep frying also reflects American creativity and love for indulgent, comforting foods. While it may not always be healthy, it's undeniably part of the food landscape in the United States. People associate fried foods with comfort, nostalgia, and enjoyment. Now, it's important to note that Americans are also becoming more health conscious. Many restaurants offer baked or grilled alternatives and use air fryers at home to cut back on oil. Still, the tradition of deep frying remains alive and well, especially in the South, where fried chicken, hush puppies, and fried green tomatoes are local specialties. In the end, deep-fried foods represent more than just a cooking method. They show how Americans celebrate life, taste, and even a little bit of culinary adventure. So next time you visit the U.S., don't be surprised if you see something strange and delicious being dipped into hot oil. Thank you so much for staying with us until the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you don't miss the feedback video. It's a key part of mastering English and American culture. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share it with others so we can continue growing and creating even better content. See you in the next adventure.